Hey folks, welcome back to Thursday Night Cooking with Kevin. I'm actually recording the show a little bit early because Kelly has to leave for Ontario. She's taking her grandson Lloyd back. So we're gonna have a nice dinner tonight, roast beef. Here's Lloyd.
I was about to say, wait, what about me?
Yeah. So,
Am I staying here?
okay.
Sure.
All right. So once again, Kelly and I had to have a discussion about how to cook roast beef, and she wanted it seared in a frying pan, and I said no, and I said this is my show. So here we are, we're searing our meat. What you didn't see is I mixed some spices into a bowl to make a nice rub to help put flavor.
What'd you put?
I think we used garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and black pepper.
So see, I got my own way again. He's searing it. So I get a nice brown all the way around.
Very simple, just using some olive oil.
Ooh, look at that. See? Real quick, nice sear though. Michelle and Bruce did a roast on the barbecue and it turned out kind of tough. She wasn't happy with it.
Low heat.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can't.
probably. I don't know. She seared it, but it just didn't turn out nice on the barbecue, she said.
Yeah, it all depends. Yeah, it just all depends on how they cooked it.
Whoa. Yeah, but I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. We haven't tried that, so.
No.
And we usually put carrots in with our roast, but I don't have any. And we're not buying a lot of extra groceries right now with Lloyd and I going away for 2 weeks. So we're gonna have corn. Oh, that was looking nice.
Yeah.
Ooh. What do you got, the oven preheated to?
350. Yeah.
Oh, is that ever starting to smell good?
Yeah. So 350, and we'll put it in for about an hour and a half. We like ours.
A little bit pink inside.
Yeah.
You got splash.
Yeah.
It's raining out today, and Brody's looking like a drowned rat every time he wants to go outside. Yes, you. Mommy talking to you? All right, we'll bring you back as soon as he is assembling this rope. Okay.
Okay. So all we're doing is just adding some potatoes.
Oh, this wasn't our first choice for the big meal, though.
Yeah.
We wanted to make pork schnitzel, and Kevin thought that this was pork tenderloin, not a roast beef. And he thought he didn't pay any attention. He just took it out and threw it in the sink to thaw. And
I got an itchy nose, sorry.
then I was like,
I have to itch it.
yeah, that's beef, not pork. So now we're not having the pork schnitzel. But that's okay.
Sorry, I had to itch my nose.
It smells so good. We have a potato over there that we're going to bake for Lloyd because he doesn't like potatoes like this.
No.
But
So we always add onion. Adds a little bit of flavor.
we usually add a pouch of onion soup mix too, but we only have a half of one. But we're going to add it. And we usually do carrots, like I said, but
Yeah.
You can stuff them in.
Yeah, just
Yummy, 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 yummy. So we'll have to get a pork tenderloin and make pork schnitzel some other time.
yeah.
And then a half a package of onion soup mix that we have.
That's it.
And that's it.
It's all ready for the oven. We cover it up. And like I said, we cook it for about an hour and a half. Because I find don't want to overcook it because there's a lot of people probably know who do cook it. Even once you take the meat out, it still continues to cook somewhat. So.
All right, we'll see you back when we're ready to have our meal.
Okay, roast is out of the oven. And oh, it smells delicious. I'm sure glad I decide to sear this roast.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take the roast out because I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes while I do some other things. I gotta get the potatoes out of here, get the gravy on the go. Look at that.
Oh, look at the juices.
Still a little bit of.
Yeah, but it's gonna cook right now.
It'll still cook as it sits, and that'll give us probably a nice.
And then we got some fresh raw green beans, because that's the way I like them.
Yeah.
And some corn in the steamer that we're gonna put in the microwave. All right.
Yeah.
Now what are you doing?
Wash my hands because I touched my nose again.
These green beans are so good. Oh. Yummy.
So we're gonna get the potatoes out of here. And the onions.
Yummy. Where's Lloyd's potato?
Still in the oven.
Lloyd does baked potato. He doesn't like mushy potato. I don't know. You put very little water in that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I never, I rarely ever put hardly any water in roast anymore because it dries it out.
Well,
People think, oh, it keeps it moist, and actually, no, it doesn't.
well, because there's so much of its own juices.
And
it was partly frozen a little bit in the center, so.
Yeah. But, yeah, it's a myth. People think, oh, if you put lots of water, it stays moist. No, it doesn't. It actually dries it out. So.
See the juices.
Just.
Papa,
Yes, Miguel.
Yummy.
can you change what you're doing and do what Mama Kelly asked?
He did what I asked. He did.
As you can see, Mama Kelly's got Lloyd brainwashed.
No. She doesn't like Pokemon, but I do.
You're right.
Yeah.
But you know what, though? That's because your aunts didn't like Pokemon, so I never watched it when they were little. That's why.
I love Pokemon.
Mm-hmm.
My aunt loves Pokemon,
Yes.
but she does.
Auntie Clarissa does, yes.
But she barely even watches it because she's too busy watching other movies, apparently.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm like, wait, what?
Look what we got. What? It's already snapped. You can eat it.
I said, what?
Yeah, I washed and snapped them. Pretty yummy, huh? Nice and fresh, huh? Mm-hmm. I know. Alright. Good.
Oh, that's too bad. Boy's got to eat those mashed potatoes.
There's a baked potato in the oven for you, dude. Papa's just teasing you.
Probably just keep it in there for now until.
Keep it warm.
Yeah.
Another one?
Okay.
No, let's save some. Alright.
So, once I'm ready to
Cut this.
carve this up,
Haha, right.
I will.
Almost.
Just gonna have a little
Why is it blood?
chat.
Because there's juices coming out of it. A little
It
bit.
looks like blood.
Hey?
Is that, what is that red stuff?
Well, it is blood.
It's the juices of the meat.
Ooh, cool.
Alright. I think we've shown them in past times, but show them the gravy seasoning that we use. We get it at Costco.
Costco, yeah.
Yeah.
This is exciting.
Trio brown gravy.
Yeah, it's really good.
Have I tried it?
I don't know.
We don't know if
So-
I tried it.
Just using the juices from the roast and a little bit of water.
Yeah.
You just gotta kind of play it by ear with how much.
And I'm here.
If I play it by ear, I'd get burnt.
Yeah.
Wait, you're gonna put it on your ear?
No.
Interesting.
No.
Your mom used to put mushrooms in her gravies.
And not beef gravy.
In turkey.
Turkey. Yeah.
Yeah. Ugh.
Yeah.
I didn't like it.
That sounds
Yeah, dude,
just-
there was one year she didn't put it in. My brother got mad.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyways, I'm just gonna get this done up. We'll bring it back once I'm ready to carve the beef.
Sounds good.
Correct.
All right. So I cut into it. It's nice. It's pink in the middle. It's kind of how I like it. So I'm just gonna.
Yeah, we like our beef like a medium rare.
Well, the outside is, a little bit more.
Oh, of course.
It smells good.
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
And it is juicy.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. That's only half of the roast too.
Yeah.
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 You only cooked half of it. And we're still gonna have leftovers.
Oh, that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Roast beef sandwiches.
All right, we'll bring you back when we're plating it.
All right. So it's plated. Ooh, got gravy on here.
Yummy. Mm-hmm.
Nice, juicy.
My plate.
Mm-hmm.
Lloyd's plate. Is it yummy? All right.
So that's it. So by the time you see this video, Lloyd and Kelly will be on their way to Ontario, back to North Bay. Anyways, that's it. That's Thursday Cooking with Kevin. Roast beef.
Have a good night.